Hey friends,
Hey
today I'm
guys,
going to
so
show
today
you
I'm
guys how to
making
make these
a
really cool
cactus
paper
plant for
cactus.
my daughter's
First you're going to
school
go
project.
into your
She's
Cricut
looking
design
for a
space
cactus.
and you're going to
So
click
we're
onto
going to go
projects
into projects
and then you're going to
we're
search
going
up
to type
cactus.
in cactus and see
So
what
I'm
we
going to
can
put
find on
cactus
here.
here and then a bunch of cactus shows
Oh,
up.
here you
And
go. So I think
I'm
I'm
going to go with
do
this paper one right here, the 3D
and I'm going to
cactus.
customize the size because her box
And
isn't that big.
so you click
So
it to
let's see
customize
here.
it, unless you like the size that's already
So we're
coming
gonna
in.
click on that.
But I'm going to make it a lot smaller because this is
Let's
for a school
zoom
project
out a
for my
little
daughter.
bit.
So we're going to go smaller.
Okay, so we're
I
gonna
think about there looks
bring it into about
good.
7 inches.
Like that.
And then we're
And
going to
then
click make it.
click make it. What I
And
do, I
I'm going
like
to
is if you're
do a
not sure on the
paper
sizing,
that
I click make
is
it. And then I change the paper
letterhead.
size to
So
letterhead.
let's see.
So then you can gauge as
Okay,
to
so
how
that's
big
still
your
really
cactus
big.
is or your project is going to come out.
So
And that's just way too big. What is happening here? Unable to prepare order. I didn't
unable to
order
prepare
anything.
order.
Sometimes it
Okay.
glitches on here. It's pretty ridiculous. Okay,
That
let's
is
see. How do we
fine.
get rid of this?
Let's go back into projects.
So let's just, no, that did not work. Okay, let's just click that. Oh, okay, there you go.
And
maybe the internet is slow. There you go.
cactus.
Okay, so now I have to do it all over again.
Let's see.
So I'm going to click
actually
that,
look.
go
Okay,
look for a cactus. I'm going to do this 3D one.
This one.
Click it. And then, okay.
Print. Okay, so it's
okay.
free.
So that looks good. So I'm going to change the sizing on here again because
unable to prepare order. Let's replace that.
I'm going to replace my last
Weird
project.
Okay.
Oh, that's huge.
Cancel.
Okay,
Actually, I want
we don't want that.
customize.
So I'm going to customize it now.
So,
and so what I was saying earlier is that when you customize it and you click letterhead before you cut, then you can gauge on the sizing if you're not sure on the sizing of, like,
let's click make it.
You know how big or small you want it. I'm going to click on matte, continue, and then I'm going to change that. And then the new feature I like is up top on the very left, it says project copies. So you can actually change that to like 2, 3, and it'll duplicate it for you. So you can cut multiple sheets instead of one.
For these. Let's apply.
See? And then all you have to do is, like, if you have the paper this long, then awesome. If you don't, I only have letterhead
perfect. So now
paper, so I'm going to use that, and I'm going to cut
this out now.
Sorry, I'm going to continue.
So I'll cut this out, and then I'll show you how to do it after.
Let's see here. And now it's going to cut. And then while it's cutting, and this one needs a scoring tool too. The most satisfying part, peeling it. And I'm going to take them all off. And this one's actually really, really easy to assemble. So you got to fold them in half like that. And at first I was kind of like, like, what are you supposed to do? But then I figured it out. It's not that hard. So you're going to fold them all up in half like that where the line is. Like so. Fold them all up. And once you fold them all up, you're going to take the first paper with the handle looking, the cactus stem sticking out. And you're going to put a little bit of glue there. So I'm just gauging it here to make sure they all fit perfectly. Then you're going to add some glue here. And I'm using hot glue gun, so it's just faster. And then you turn it, add another piece, turn it, and then add the long piece with the stem. So both sides has 2 long stems, and you're done that one. Then you do it for all of them. If you like our video, please subscribe, thumbs up, and we will see you in our next video. Bye, friends!